We were using a bucket heater, so the water's nice and hot. 5 gallon pit. And I have only water here. So, 5 gallons, fill up my Cimex. Shake up the VacEncap DS1 from Cosway, best encap in Canada. So you always shake it every time before you pour. And so, if it's maintenance, if it's monthly maintenance, we're going to go 4 ounces per gallon. This is a food area, this is a restaurant, so we're going 10 ounces per gallon. That would, on a full tank here, that's going to be pretty much 2 of these. Then, I'm going to make 1 wet pass followed by a dry pass. So I want you to see how much shampoo I'm putting down. Uh-oh, got a little bit wet. Stop the video.
Yeah. Stop.
Okay, so I'm doing my wet pass. You can see you don't have shampoo flying everywhere. I can see the white film. You can see how fast I'm moving. I'm going to let go here because I know that there's water in the line. A little bit of soap there, so that's a little bit too much. But I'm going to go back and do my dry pass over the exact area where I did the wet pass. So that's your 1 wet, 1 dry encap system. And so, show the whole room. You can see the square footage that we have here. And I suspect, show this side, that we're gonna go through 3 gallons of soap and 3 pads. And that's it.